This is so dumb. I don't even know how to turn this fucking off. Oh, that's clever. Are we done? That was so annoying. Like, I don't even know what the fuck to do about that. Report. Dude, no, it was like 1,000 followers in like. Oh, dude. Okay, my stream elements is gonna be fracked. So that has to get turned off. Alright, how do I report? How to file a user report? Reporting a channel, reporting a user in chat. I don't care about mobile. Don't want to do batch reporting tool. In mod view. Moderate your own channel. Where did this want me to go? Batch reporting tool. That's not what I needed. I just want to. Why is this so hard to file a freaking report? Dude, come on, Twitch. I just got botnetted, dev dad. There, I'm just gonna freaking DM Twitch support. Our DM bot is run by robots. Yeah, sure. I don't care. Typing restart. Hi. My channel got botnetted this morning. Please help. All right. Whatever. It's over. I just want to get rid of all those fake fucking followers I just got, though. See this article for how to file a report. Bruh, I can't file a report. Hold on, one more thing to try. If we go to Twitch/DMN mute myself. Thank you. I'm reporting myself. No, I'm not a bot. This is stupid. Where at, Kyle? Do I assume I go here, right? Go to my creator dashboard. I'm not going to log into whatever that is. That's how you get fucking botnets. That's how your account becomes part of a botnet. We'll just see what Twitch support says. Okay, so let's get the fuck out of this. I'm not a bot is exactly what a bot would say. Facts. All right, whatever. I need to try and install OCaml because I don't have OCaml on this computer, which is unfortunate. In fact, maybe we don't start with OCaml, right? We don't need OCaml for the first project we're working on this morning. So let's try to go clone. Oh, we don't have Rectangle installed. Do I? Okay, we gotta go install Rectangle. Ugh, I hate setting up new PCs. Use Raycast. Okay, how would I use Raycast? Because I know this can do, okay, 2 people just yelled at me to use Raycast. I'm down to use Raycast, but I want the same keybinds. How do I manage my keybinds for this? Gerald, I am enjoying Tmux, to be honest, more than I thought. Thank you for the follow, too. Let's see if Stream Alerts is... Okay, we're gonna go try to fix Stream Elements quick. Okay, that sounds good to me. Streaming tools. Activity feed. Look at this garbage. Especially this right here. That's real garbage. Okay, it feels like Stream Elements might be under control. Same, Ethan. It's the only way to dev. If you're not deving Tmux, Neovim and Tmux in VS Code, you're just not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. I surely wouldn't hire someone who wasn't deving Neovim and Tmux in VS Code, you know? All right, I'm just gonna download Rectangle until Ethan can indoctrinate me. Okay, Rectangle. Yes. 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 Bitch, that is my finger. Okay, thank you. Recommended. Sure, I don't think I'd ever changed any of these. Launch on login. Check for updates automatically. Great. Perfect. Oh, there we go. So much better. All right, to GitHub. I wonder if my PR got merged last night. And we want to download this guy. Wow, we're up to 110 stars already. Let's go. Start myself. Oh, I just did the wrong freaking thing. Oh, I found another problem we need to fix with my keyboard, the key repeating setting. Fun fact, Neovim doesn't like it when it is started from a debugger running in a terminal in Neovim. I'm not going to ask how you found yourself in that situation, Char, but I will take your word for it, and it's duly noted as a thing I will make sure not to try. Let's see here. What are we doing? We're going to settings and then keyboard. Key repeat rate needs to be at the fastest. Okay. Okay, great. That's gonna feel a lot better. Oh shit. No, it shouldn't. Good luck. I think I got like rate limited on stream elements. Let me try my overlay. I don't hear any sound going through. Oh, is it still happening right now, Kyle? How? Whatever, Kyle. I'll let you drive this. I don't know what's happening. You paused them. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna stop doing what I'm doing. All right. There's a couple things we need to do this morning. First, I need to like get my thoughts organized here. So 1 second. I've got a lot going on. That freaking botnet really fucked with me. All right, so let's open up a to-do. Let's just say to-do.markdown, save that, vim to-do. All right, one is write CFP for React Alicante conference. Got to do that. Two, probably TS error translator parser rewrite. I don't know if we'll get the whole way through that. Actually, before that, I do want to take a look at SvelteKit types. All right. That looks good. What up, Billy? I slowly started sneaking some of my go-to types into my code base at work yesterday. And by sneak, I don't really mean sneak. I just opened it with good cause. But I now have branded types and unify intersected types, which is a prettify function. All right, so if we go to x.com, we ran a poll yesterday for what I should write my conference talk on. And by far, it's type-safe React with OCaml. So we're gonna write an RFC for this. So let's actually go to documents, and let's say, what the frack? Okay. I'm gonna have to step away for 2 or 3 minutes here in a second, chat. But let's say conferences. Yeah, let's just do that. And I don't know why that closed. Quit zdoc. Allow full access. Allow. Oh man, we're still getting hit. Conferences, make dir. This will be React Alicante 24. And we'll close this, and we'll say touch cfp.markdown, vim cfp.markdown, and we'll say BRB chat. We're going to be writing a conference talk RFC CFP /talk out /outline to submit to React Alicante. The topic will be type safe. All right, chat. I will be right back here in probably 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. Well. All right. Morning, Diva. Sorry, guys. Let's see here. All right. So, can you guys hear the music, by the way? Does my keyboard sound normal too, chat? Yeah. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure since my computer reset. Keyboard fine. Music is very low. I can bump it a little bit. All right, chat. So, for those of you that know React and TypeScript, and who have, I mean, even if you haven't been following me for a while, if you were going to go to a conference and there was a talk titled Type Safe React with OCaml, what are the things you would want to see? I love Louis' point. This is the guy, the person that builds Gleam. I love that. Adopting OCaml / Melange incrementally. Why is that failing? That's fine. Do we not have a Markdown language server? Wait, what did Ryan say? That would be the only talk that would interest me out of any talks. Oh, you're saying the topic. Okay, I thought you had a we want to cover FFIing and binding to libraries for sure. Nuances of ReasonML / OCaml JSX versus normal JSX. Ecosystem / popular packages. Give me an outline. We should probably lightly touch on SSR plus native OCaml plus React. Bad Cop says, use this in a slide deck. Types are not real, by the way. My heart. Yeah, that's a good point. Failed to run generator. What is going on with this? So I looked into botting on Twitch. The only I found recently was to use Seribot as it automatically deals with known bots. Well, the problem, Kamikaze, was I turned on follower only mode, and all the bots subsequently followed me, and that's why my follower count jumped like 1,000 this morning. Can I bulk remove them, bad cop? So I need to mod Seribot. 1 second, chat. This feels like a sketchy service. Is this safe, bad cop? Is this legit? So Kyle sent this to me earlier. I'm scared to authorize here. Oh, okay. All right, well, let's see here. YOLO. Yeah. Okay. I want to filter results between, Kyle says 726. So let's say 715 and 730. Username is going to be like, I can use a regex, right? Is there any consistency to this? That's going to be really hard to regex for. Okay, let's apply filters. Jesus. 1,700 follows in that time. How do I select? Oh shit, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh god. Looks like all the bots were created recently. Sweet. Alright, so let me grab between 7:15 and 7:30. And account created at how long ago were they created, Bad Cop? I guess it will show me, won't it? Username followed at and account created at relative. So any account created, let's just say what, like 4 a.m. and now. All right. This feels legit, right? I'm not gonna just like nuke a bunch of legit people. Yeah, all right. Get them gone. Yep, that looks good. All right, we'll just let that go in another tab. And let's hop back over here, get out of that, and React Alicante. Let's throw in dark mode. Check for updates. Yeah. Has anybody seen the new Dune movie yet? Dude, I saw it last night and it was so good. I know I already texted you, Kyle, about it, but holy shit. Dune Part 2 was so good. All right, so all right. Alice, I had something to show you. I found that was super interesting the other day. It was an AST parser for TypeScript that showed the control flow analysis, and I plugged in that example I used for my conference talk. It was kind of interesting. Let me see if I can find it. I thought I bookmarked it. Maybe I didn't. Shit. Might be my history. Let's see here. Pop that over here and AST. Is it on my other work TypeScript AST viewer? Yeah. Yeah, here it is. What up, Trash Poppy? So if we look at, so this is the example I use in my conference talk for unsound TypeScript. So this TypeScript on the left completely type checks on the strictest settings of the compiler, but it has a type error. Many of you have seen this example already. What happens is this value right here, the type system thinks it's a string, but a Boolean actually gets passed in, and this causes a runtime type error. But what's interesting, if we look at this line here, we can see our control flow. I wish this block was expanded. Yeah, so we get here, and after it comes out a validated account, where's the type information? It thinks it's only a subtype here. So if we look at this, yeah, it's inferring the type. It narrows the type to this coming in. So the problem, I guess, is that this, because the return type is inferred, it's inferring it as like simply this. So basically, once a count goes into here, it comes out as, yeah, just a username. So it's like, oh yeah, we can pass it into there. But yeah, I'm trying to learn how to read like this control flow stuff. There's like a bunch of information with it. I'll throw that link in chat. It's probably gonna be too long for me to throw in chat. But if I grab that. Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. Okay, back to our conference talk. So these are kind of the topics I want to hit. So let's just have, what do we need to submit for React Alicante? Call for papers. We need a talk title, an abstract. Okay. Where is paper call? I'm just gonna copy my bio from here. Grab that, throw that there, talk title. All right, let's pull up our good friend ChatGPT. Why doesn't validate username just take a string? You're right, Bag Hop. But the point of that example is that like that's totally reasonable TypeScript to write, and like any normal TypeScript dev could write that code, and that could be like somewhere else in the code base. And yeah. Did I say that? Is that what I said? I get that that's what you're making, but the reality is that that kind of code gets written all the time. And I don't think it's necessarily bad. Like the type system should be able to figure that out. TypeScript's bad. I think we both agree on that. I am working on submitting a CFP/talk to a React conference on how to use OCaml Melange, a compiler for ReasonML/OCaml to JavaScript with React. Here is the high-level topic. Go grab this, yoink that. Here are some topics I would like to cover. Yoink that. Please suggest 10 talk titles Yeah, sure. I think TypeScript is good. You were just using it wrong. I mean, you have to kind of meet at the lowest common denominator, right? Like that example, like this, right? Okay, so imagine this is off in some other file, right? And we have like an account module, right? And let's say I export some like little module thing like account equals this, and we're just gonna say validate username. And this will be validate username. And then I can use this. I don't know. Right, like to fix this, right, it should be like T extends this right here. We do this, we do that. Input is now a T, and we return out a T, right? Like this fixes it completely. Right, now it's mad. Well, yeah, sure. That being said, you can see why this happens. Oh God, what's a Brian clip? uh. Forever. Yeah. Yeah, I actually like will type Witch's proposal. In fact, I submitted a pull request yesterday to do basically exactly this and add branded types to our repo. This loads. And I wrote up an example doing exactly what Alice just said. If this loads. Look at this. User, ID, boom, boom. We introduce brands. Now we have a user ID, right? Validate user ID. Yeah. Where's the short link? I just installed short link. Short here. So if anyone wants to see how branded types are great, this example is pretty good. Type safety in React, integrating, no. Embracing type set, no. Type safe React development with OCaml launch, a practical guide. That's not bad. I kind of like that. I don't think I'll ever get used to how much machinery you need for basic nominal types in TS. And there's still gotchas and like edge cases. Like the closest I have gotten to having actual nominal types. The fuck is this? The hell is Dylan language? This is. What's that? Good morning! Good morning, Woody! Good morning, Woody! Good morning, Woody! Good morning, big man. Come here. Get up here. Yes. Say good morning, Bodhi. Say good morning. Say, oh, thank you for the kisses. Oh, what are they being crazy? Are they being crazy? You good boys. You good boys. Say you're the calm one. Alright, down, bud. Down. Buddy. Good boy. Oh.
Did you just get bodied? That's all. They wanted to say good morning.
Good morning. Could you put my coffee mug on the charger?
Yeah. Do you want another?
Mm-hmm. Okay. This is interesting, but I'm looking for this. So the closest I've gotten to nominal types is this type right here, which is built off a brand. So you pass in a type, and then you pass in a symbol, and like TypeScripts, if you just use the normal brand and you don't include the actual type as part of the brand, TypeScripts like autocomplete just gets super, super confused. But if you maintain the underlying type as part of the brand and then use a symbol, it seems to have worked reasonably well. So the way this gets implemented is like right here. Normally when I would use brand, this would be like the string or like the T, and then this would just be like a string name. Anyways, let's say this is going to be React Alicante 24 call for proposal, and this is just going to be notes/planning. This is going to be outline. Let's just say this is CFP. And then this will be title will be type safe React development. Type safe React with OCaml. A practical guide. I like that. Well-typed which will be that cool one day. In fact, I think well-typed which is cooler already because of how helpful she is all of the time and eager to teach. I'm sure Gabriella is too, but I haven't ever met her. All right, please write 5 abstracts that are no longer than 6 sentences each. Alice is very well typed. It's true. It's not cool how OCaml with its robust type system can be used as long as it's to create types. Introduce Melange, compile integrates OCaml with React, and demonstrates how to adopt this setup incrementally. Attendees will learn about the nuances. Don't love that. How to interface JavaScript using foreign functions. We'll also cover testing strategies, central tooling. I mean, this is pretty good. No. Kind of like that first one. That first one's pretty good. So let's take this and then chop it up a little bit. Let's say abstract. Copy this. Paste that in there. And let's... Oh. I always forget how to go backwards. Find D. Was it comma? Yeah. Do that. Find comma. Do that. Find. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Okay. In this talk, we'll explore how OCaml with its robust type system can be used alongside React. We'll introduce Melange, a compiler that seamlessly integrates OCaml with React, and that seamlessly compiles OCaml to, gotta throw in the word idiomatic, JavaScript. We'll introduce melange, reason React, we'll introduce melange, reason React, a comprehensive set of React bindings with in reason React, and gotta have that Oxford comma. If you don't use Oxford commas, you're dead to me. I feel the opposite of Vampire Weekend. They say, who gives a fuck about an Oxford comma? This motherfucker right here. We'll introduce melange, a compiler that seamlessly compiles OCaml to idiomatic JavaScript, a comprehensive set of React bindings in reason React, and demonstrate how to adopt this setup incrementally. Attendees will learn about the nuances of, no, we don't want to say this. We don't want to say the differences in developer experience between. What'd Bodhi do?
No!
What'd he do?
He ate Baxter's food!
Oh, Bodhi got double breakfast. Back up. I do cover this, to be fair, in my conference talk. I cover this for like
Sir?
5 minutes. I don't just bash on TypeScript, to be fair. How can somebody be so brave taking on big Oxford comma all by himself? What is this? This is not it. How can I see? I want. Por favor, signore. Okay. Look, I defend TypeScript in here. Look at this. I say, let's talk about TypeScript. Statically typed, excellent tooling, gradually adopted. Gradually adopted not only on the type system, but also the definitely typed repo was a huge reason to TypeScript success. Great dev experience, vast improvement. Then I talk about some downfalls, right? Cover why it's unsound. But I come back, I say I love TypeScript, and I give a bunch of reasons why I love TypeScript. So I give it a fair shake, all right? But I agree with Allison on this one. In fact, I really want the TypeScript team to hire David Bloss, I think his name is, the guy behind Archetype. I think he has a lot of really good ideas, and he's doing a bunch of interesting stuff. The example I gave, we ran into when I was at Scholem. The worst problem I ever ran into is fortunately fixed as of like 2 TypeScript versions ago or something, but like where TypeScript won't let you basically wrap a thenable interface or structure in a promise, because when promises resolve, it recursively calls then on all children and children's children and so on and so forth. And that caused us to have a runtime error because we had a comparable type that had a then function on the object or the interface, and a promise resolved to that like comparable object, and then it just like then and it was a nightmare. I will show you in the console exactly what happened because it's so easy to do. Check this out. So if we say like my object is this thing that has this then function, and this is just going to be like, how about we just do like math dot random greater than 0.5. We'll throw a new error. F in the chat. Otherwise, we're just gonna like return undefined. Oh, I have to wrap that in braces. Or this has to be wrapped. Why? Okay, this is so annoying. Okay, 1 second. My obj then is going to be a function. Oh my god, the console is so annoying. If math dot random greater than 0.5, we'll do this. Throw new error F in the chat. Close that. Close that. And then this is that. Okay, so that's my object, right? So we should be able to do like my obj dot then, and 50% of the time it's going to crash. So if we do promise dot, let's see here, my promise equals new promise, and we'll wrap my object. When I do promise dot resolve my promise, it's going to invoke the then on my object. I guess I have to, well, that might have been the, there it is. What happens when you call, in fact, we could do like, you could probably destroy the stack by returning return my object. Whoops. So if we do promise.resolve now on my obj, or actually we have to wrap this, and then if we do promise.resolve, yeah, either way, it leads to some funky type or some funky situations because it will just keep calling then over and over and over again, even if the objects aren't promised, because the way promise.resolve works in JavaScript is it doesn't do an instance of on the promise, which would be like the smart thing to do. It checks if there is a then key and it's a function. And if it is, it just invokes it blindly. It's very good. Very, very great. Yeah. Promise, JavaScript, Venable. Freaking medium. Yeah, I used to know the reason behind this, but I can't remember. That, yeah, well-typed which is right. It's for backwards compatibility. Attendees will learn about the differences in developer experience between React and developer experience between React and OCaml and TypeScript. Then we can delete back to there. Perfect. I wish ES4 would have happened. ES4 would have been like the perfect... God, ES4 would have made life so much better. I would be so happy if we had nominal types and we had freaking JSX natively built in. Types ECMAScript 4 was it, y'all. And freaking Microsoft killed it. No, Badger, there's not. You can't get around it. And like even Melange and PureScript and Elm and all those things are just a band-aid on top of it. I don't really have a problem with I don't have a problem with TypeScript or JavaScript classes. I think they're fine as long as you're not using like inheritance. A class is just syntactic sugar for a closure. Like, I feel like people are just triggered by their days of enterprise C# and Java. Like, classes can be useful for like stateful pieces of data. For example, like where are my gists? How do I get to my gists? Right here. Like this is a great example of like using, thank you, Justine. Like I use a class for a least recently used cache. Like I think this is totally fine. Right? Like what is wrong with this? I don't want to implement a LRU using a closure. And again, classes are basically just syntactic sugar for closures. Okay, Bad Cop. I will, if that's going to be your argument, I will concede that, you know.
Hey, real quick, my interview's at 10.
What?
My interview's at 10.
Okay.
I'll need you to help me wrangle the dogs away from me.
Okay, just put the gate up at the top of the stairs.
Okay.
Force them down here. Well, I'll be done streaming at 10, so.
Okay.
I'm in JavaScript classes are good, actually. I want to come back to this, but I think this is a super fair criticism. I think I don't know if Ryan's still in here, but I think this was really, 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 really good criticism. All right. In this talk, we'll explore how OCaml, with its robust type system, can be used alongside React to create type-safe web applications. We'll introduce Melange, a compiler that seamlessly compiles OCaml to idiomatic JavaScript, a comprehensive set of React bindings in Reason React, and demonstrate how to adopt this setup incrementally. Attendees will learn about the difference in developer experience between React and OCaml and React and TypeScript. Attendees will learn about the differences in developer experience between using this song sucks. Why can't I change my song? Oh, it's because that tool somehow had sound. Let's listen to some Loveless. Yeah, but classes, I don't think classes are too much sugar, Bad Cop. It's hardly sugar. God. Back up. Have you ever done stand-up? That's a good tweet. Something like that. I think you would be good at stand-up. I feel like you've got like the exact wit that like good, at least the kind of stand-up comedians I like have. Oh man, it's gonna look like I'm subtweeting Matt Pocock now. God damn it. What is Eduardo doing? Oh, we could. Hold on. Hold on. We're gonna do something with this quick. We're gonna take this and we're gonna go to Pixlr. And we're gonna go here. And we're gonna, nope, I don't want AI photo editor. I want Pixlr editor. And we're gonna just throw that in there. All right, back to his timeline. I want to go here. I want to look at your media. I have an idea of where I want to go with this. Bad Cop, if you write a Eclipse extension to pair program over WebSocket in Eclipse, I will use Eclipse for a full day on stream with you connected to it as well. The font we want is going to be, I think it starts with a B. I always forget what the meme font is. The guy on the poll is Eduardo RFS on Twitch. And let's give this a outline, and we'll make it black, and whoa. That's not the right font. Meme font. Comic Sans. What font is this? Does anyone know what this font is? Why am I struggling? Impact. I. Oh, it's not here. You son of a bitch. That's not bad. Let's go ahead and like rotate this now. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna lock this layer. And we're gonna make it hidden. And we're gonna cut out Eduardo. Oh shit. We gotta add his hands over there. Oh, it'd be funny if, yeah, that'd actually be, what is it? Is this add? Yeah, shift add to selection. Let's just grab that too. So we're gonna take that, paste that back in, throw this here. Let's get that lined up right. I mean, that's pretty close. It's close enough. Whatever, that's close enough. And then this is gonna go above that, and we're gonna make that visible. Okay. Okay, let's lock this layer. And now we're gonna go back to this layer, unlock it, and we want to probably like space it out. We want to letter space. Whoa, that's not what we wanted. Let's make this longer, I guess. We might have to cut out his legs too. Something. You can probably come in here and just like space this, right? Yeah. All right, so we can go a little bit less. A little bit less yet. You can do something like, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, right? And we're just gonna take this, and we're gonna take that. All right, copy paste that, and we're gonna retweet this. We're gonna quote it, and we're gonna paste it. Let's do it. Edit. We might have to clip the bottom a little bit. Yeah, let's go delete that. We're gonna back over here. And we're gonna gonna go from like here to like there. Something like this. Oh, come on. Do I need to take higher up? Something like this? Too bad you couldn't content aware erase the poll itself. I mean, I could. Whatever, this is good enough. God damn it, I didn't know there was discourse on JavaScript classes happening. That's okay. Okay, let's finish submitting this. Attendees will learn about the differences in developer experience between using React and OCaml and TypeScript. And how to interface. Delete that. They'll also learn how to interface also. In this talk, we'll explore how OCaml, with its robust type system, can be used alongside React to create type-safe web applications. We'll introduce Melange, a compiler that seamlessly compiles OCaml to idiomatic JavaScript, a comprehensive set of React bindings in Reason React, and demonstrate how to adopt this setup incrementally. Attendees will learn about the differences in developer experience between using React and OCaml and TypeScript. They'll also learn how to interface with JavaScript libraries using foreign function interfaces. We'll also cover testing strategies and essential tooling to streamline your development workflow. By the end of this session, you'll have a practical understanding how to leverage OCaml and Melange to enhance. Yeah, perfect. So let's grab this, yoink that, come over to our submission, drop that in the abstract, yoink that, drop that in the title. Okay. Oh, come on. Cars. All right. Let me let folks know. All right, bet. Okay, so we did that. Where's our little to-do list? Where'd I put that? It's like up. I don't know what that is. Didn't I have a to-do list somewhere? Where the frack did I write that? Is that under Kickstart? There it is. So we did this. Great. Next is look at, oh yeah, one of my coworkers works on SvelteKit, on the SvelteKit core team, and he's been bumping into some challenging typing issues, and I want to see if maybe we can take a look and solve the issues. So let's copy this, and let's go to SvelteKit types, like that. Why does, I need to patch oil to not close when that happens. I don't know why that happens. Thank you for the follow, by the way. I have my follow sounds turned off because we got botted earlier. And it's still catching up on the frickin' bots. Okay. Close that, close that, close that, close this, close that, close this, close this. Quit the personal, change directories into SvelteKit, and let's do a node shell. Yo, grats, Billy, that's dope. I can't remember the last time I was on Stack Overflow, really. I almost never go there anymore. Oh, we can also, that's also a good piece of work we could do, right? We could, I need to figure out this deprecation thing. Three will be fix none ls deprecation warnings. And then 4 will be release melange CMA with melange 3. All right. Yeah, definitely something's up with null ls. I need to do what I should learn. Currently working on React, should go for Node or TypeScript. I would say TypeScript for sure. Learn TypeScript and apply it to all the projects and stuff you've already built in React. Do a bun init and vim index. And let's go ahead and paste in these types. Can I copy this? I can't. So let's grab that and copy down. Damn it. Such a pain in the ass, Slack. Paste that in. Okay. All right, so we want to type this function. Extends load. Oh, dude, where does load come from? Load event from SvelteKit. So let's install that and see if we can get the types there. In fact, I should not do this here. zkick. Let's do new s, and this will be svelte kit. And this will be svelte kit types. Bun node shell. Bun install at svelte /kit. What? Is that not the thing? Svelte.js.kit. Any good resource? I was doing the Odin project. Yeah, I have a really good resource for learning TypeScript. That's going to be Matt Pocock on YouTube. Total TypeScript. Let's see here. This right here is going to be really good. Matt Pocock's Twitter or YouTube, excuse me, is going to be really good. Those are probably the best. Yeah, one of my coworkers, Arutz, works on the Svelte Kit core team and was talking to me about some types they were having challenges with, and I just wanted to take a peek at it because I thought it was interesting. There we go. This probably comes from Svelte Kit 2 since batch load. Batch load does not come from there. Where does batch load come from? Where does batch load come from? Doesn't look like there's a batch load. Let's go check npm for that, I guess. Or svelte kit types. I'm not using this for anything. I'm just playing with types. So I think this is what he's working on right now. I guess we should probably go to the repo. There's load. Is there an internal batch load? I don't see batch load in here anywhere. Let's try searching the repo. Yeah, batch load must be his own thing. Damn. Okay, well, we don't have all the types we need. Thank you for the follows, Pain and Low Viz, and Gluttonous, and Nil Dex. I missed a bunch of people here. And JV Garay. Let's see. All right, my stream died before them. Appreciate all of y'all. Well, never mind this then. I can't work on that until we figure out where batch load comes from. So then, back to our to-do. New.s, this is going to be create melange app. Right? Personal Vim, it's just cat to do. Fix non-LS deprecation warnings. Right, we should do that quick. None-ls. All right, so this is gonna be back at our config, and we want to vim into here. Let's just actually make a new one and name this nvim. This will be change config. Thank you for the follow, Mr. P, Mr. Pi. Vim into here, and we'll go to, I believe this is in LSP. Yeah. Why can't I, oh no. Qualifying's not on, is it? Is it just free practice 3? You have it deprecated. All right, that's the link we want. Yoink. Deprecated build-ins with unmaintained upstream or native LSP. Oh, so there's a nonetheless extra repo? In fact, I should just switch to biome, really, right? Is biome compatible with reading ESLint? Okay, so biome just fucking destroys that. All right, let's give this a shot and just see what happens. Differences with prettier. Sure, I don't care. All right, yeah, let's just try, rather than installing another dependency, let's just try biome. Like, this is a lie then, right? Like, that's just like not a freaking thing. Does this not have just like a list of the sources? That's annoying. There's not even a biome here. Right? I'm not crazy. I don't even think biome's in here. Well, there it is. Weird. Is this just not on master? It's there. Okay. So there's no diagnostics yet for null ls, or for null ls using biome. So we still need, god damn, that's gonna be so annoying. All right, what do I do here? I go to, I need this stupid library, I guess. We go to up here, dependencies, and you need to surround this. Oh, that was nice that automatically happened. Huh, I've never seen that happen before. Knock that down, find comma, knock that down, go here, make a new line. This will have a dependencies. This will equal a table. And in here we'll say nvim tools / none ls extras dot nvim. And then we'll come down here and we'll say where do we import null ls? Okay, right here. And then we'll say local null ls extras equals require oh, we get it for free. Okay. Okay, so down here we get Winnie, be quiet. Dude. Don't make me get the beeper. All right, so anywhere in here, we gotta fix this now. Biome. This will be biome. Okay, and then we want to go to here, and we want to Vim, and we want to go to module. Actually, we need to do a Nix packages search. First, we need extensions. Where's the extension store? Where's Ethan at? Store. There we go. We want Nix. Nix packages search. Install extension. Back. Nix. And we want to search for biome. Toolchain of the web. It's just biome. Okay. And config fish aliases. Node shell will also, we'll change this to be biome. Well, in fact, we should probably keep oh, I was just fighting Raycast for a second. I got confused between how to install an extension. I tried to go to extensions and then I needed to go to store. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah, I'll check that out after stream. Damn, my camera is mad janky right now. It's so bright. Jesus. Elgato Facecam. I want software. It works 90% but 10. I don't even know what the fallback flag is. One second, y'all. I'm fixing my camera. Sorry, this is a bit of a slow stream. I'm just like dealing with resetting up everything since my MacBook got wiped a couple days ago, and I haven't streamed since or dev'd on it yet. Okay, so we should have this now. Let's quit that so it has quit Camera Hub and open Camera Hub back up. Literally that. All right, let's see here. We want, that's good, that's good. Let's drop that a little bit. That looks good. Oh. I like my color a little bit warmer. Something like this. I know, Winnie. I guess you can't really see her on that little bit. All right, I think this should be good. All right, that looks fine to me. What is this? Is this for a rectangle? I don't know what this is. Okay. My USB hub doesn't require display link. All right, so we should have got that, right? We should have biome as a, if we go back to our, if we were to come in here, right? Let's say we node shell. That doesn't seem right. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. Sure, we'll attach here. Let's go back into here. Do this, and then go to z-svelte, and then do node shell. There we go. So now we have biome. Nice. Okay. Biome start. So if we quit here, quit out of that, z-svelte, and we vim into index.ts. You required a deprecated building, diagnostics ESLint Lua. Isn't that exactly what we did, chat? We added the... Right there it is, it's loaded. Did I not follow the frickin' guide correctly? God. Issues is 58. Somebody just tell me. Oh, there's a native ESLint server? I wonder if there's a native biome server. There is. Or maybe there is. Okay. Okay, maybe we can drop none else altogether. That would be sweet. Let's go to our Neovim config and our LSP. Let's go down here and like actually comment out these and comment out these. Actually, let's just comment out this whole block of null ls. I don't think we need null ls anymore. I think I can remove it. That's going to be sweet. Conform.envim. I actually just don't even think I need any of this. I think I have native LSPs for everything I need. Yeah, I think I have everything I need. So let's go to my servers. And then we'll just add in biome. Biome. How does root pattern work in this? Does biome need a biome.js to work? Yeah, it does seem like we do. Okay, so we are still going to need prettier. That's annoying. But sure. We can add this. So we can probably go grab the router settings for ESLint to do what we did down here, because I think I did that for a reason. C source file. Where is the source file? How do I do this? Whatever, it should probably pick up everything, right? Okay, so prettier is not in here. That's annoying. Whatever, I'm not gonna fuck with this right now until it actually stops working. We'll see if ESLint works. And then we can... We don't need that either. Actually, we don't need any of the formatting. In fact, oh, we do need formatting.prettier, right? Prettier D. Maybe if we rock with just prettier, it'll be okay. Let's save that. Come down here, and I don't think I need these anymore. We updated. This should be prettier. That should actually be prettier D. Okay. We don't need the biome language server installed yet. Hi Sabine, thank you for the raid. How was your stream? What'd you work on? Okay, so now if we go back to here, we quit out. We node shell. Should still have prettier D. We do. Node shell. And now we should have, is biome in there? I would have expected to see biome. ESLint installed. Okay, so we got ESLint LSP. And if we go and look here, we've got TS server attached, we got Tailwind, and we've got, so the root directory wasn't found, which is fine. Which it should find it. Okay, I feel good enough about that. So did they say they were removing prettier or just prettier D? Why do we have so many freaking tools in JavaScript? Okay, so prettier D is not even on here. Sure. Okay. Okay, we're good. Should be good. Right, so if we vim into this, we should get no deprecation warnings. All right, all right, all right. Okay. What did we say we were doing next? Cat to did this, we did this, release CMA. Great, that is a good next thing to do. Git clone, do this, create melange app.git. So now we need to figure out how to install OPAM. God, this isn't gonna work. Nix shell. Yeah, that's fine. So we want to try to grab OPAM, but I don't think this is going to work at all. What? Shouldn't that work? Okay, so that worked. So why? Yeah. Oh, I probably need a comma. How do I update this to let me use Darwin? Or not Darwin, ARM. Just because it's not every OCaml project I'm working on right now has flakes, and I don't want to take the time to write flakes. So this is what it's pulling, right? Platforms.all. Shouldn't that... Why doesn't this work? Where's the actual flake for this? So this makes a derivation. Here is the default.nix for OPAM, which is causing this error. Any Nix people know how to fix this? How I could submit a patch? Inherit OPAM. Here's the installer. It says that it supports Arch 64 Darwin, right? Everyone sees this. Let's try that OPAM core, I guess, and see what happens. So it seems like I'm not able to use any OCaml dependencies for some reason. Okay, well that worked. So do I just have to do this and then system Arch 64 Darwin? If I could type. Okay, that worked. So how can I use system in a list with mixed packages? Thank you for the resubscription, DevDad. Super appreciate you. Okay, so it would be like, I wonder if I can do this. Whoops. Something like that. Like, can I not do something like this? Dune 3. Isn't that what it was? Dune. Yeah. Dash dash system. All right, so I guess I really do need to do it that way. Okay, well, that's okay, because we can do this now. Oh boy. All right, chat, this is going to take a minute and I got to wrap up streaming. So let's find somebody to raid. Sorry, this morning was not exciting. I just ran into a bunch of setup things on the new laptop. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Meta. I will definitely be tuning in today. Who we got going? We got Nate Codes. We're going to raid Nate Codes probably. Yep, let's give Nate a raid. And I will be streaming tonight on CM Griffin's channel at like 7:30ish Eastern time. So if you guys want to hang out then, we'll see you there. Otherwise, let's go hang out with Nate.